morning, students. In your second semester syllabus, we have completed this chapter fractions. Then today we are going to this study next one chapter. This in your textbook, this last chapter, handling data. Handling data. See in your textbook page number 84. Here one example given. It was Sonu's birthday. Her friends had some for her birthday party. Everyone wished her a happy birthday and also gave her gifts. Then Nandu had not gone for the party. He asked Sonu who had come for the party and how many boys and how many girls. Then what gifts did you get? How many of them? Let us see the gifts first. We can answer this Nandu's question later. Then Tonu put the gifts into groups. Salma counted the books. Sonu counted the pens. Tonu counted the pencils. And Nandu wrote down this information on a slate. See here. Here Sonu's birthday and her friends had come for this birthday party. But everyone wished a happy birthday and also give for these gifts. Then Nandu had not gone for this birthday party and he asked to this Sonu, means who had come for this party, then what gifts did you get, how many of them. Then Tonu give the list for these gifts. See here gifts and here number, means in gifts pencils, how many pencils, 17 number. Pens, how many pens gifted here, 40. And books how many, 9. Then you write here total is 30 total gifts, means here Sonu had got this, how many total gifts here, 30 total gifts. Then next one, see. Next day when Nandu come to the class, he asked each boy and girl, how do you come to school? And he took down their answers as shown below. Here means some information is given and you write this data with your hand, means it is called as this handling data. See here boys and girls name is given here and this vehicle's name also given here. Rohit bus, Vijay rickshaw, Maya bus, Gopal walking, Rekha rickshaw, Krishna bicycle, Abha car, Madhav walking. In this type of is given, means the name of these students given and also vehicles given. Then you make a here table by using this information and you write this. You write this data. See here write next one. Make here 2 columns. Here vehicles, and here name of students. Then first vehicle here by bus. Then you write here in front of this name of students. Then by rickshaw, by walking, bicycle, and last one by car. On a bicycle and last one by car. Then you see this chart. Here information is given. Then you count this by bus, how many students and the names of students also you write. See here, Rohit bus, Maya, Rohit, Maya, Smita, again bus, Nita, John, Ahmad. Write your name. Rohit, Smita, Maya, Search, Ahmad, John, Ahmad, John, Sarajit, Albert, Nita, and Alka. How many students total this? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then by Riksha, Vijay, Rekha, Sonu, Nandu, Farooq, Vikas, Farooq, Vikas, and Anthony. Anthony. How many students this? 7. Then next one, Gopal. Gopal, Ramswamy, Ramswamy, Mahadev, Roger, Mahadev, Roger. In this type of this, by walking, by on a bicycle, by car, you read this information and how many students and the name of students also write. In homework you complete this. Then next one, see, it was not required to wear the uniform on Thursday. Page number 85. Children had come to school wearing these clothes of different colors. Alan made a table showing these. Salma suggested that instead of writing names, and they could put 1 mark for each child. See here, the table that Alan made here. Color of cloth is given here. Name of children here. And number of children. Then you these numbers write in tally marks. How many marks here? Tally marks. See this tally marks. You see in your textbook page number this 85. You make here column color of cloths. Here names of children. And here one column number of children. Then color of cloth here, red, green, yellow and blue. Then you see here red color, how many students, suppose here how many students, number of children, 4. Then you give here tally marks in this names of children, then you write here tally marks. What here? Tally marks. Means how many number of children, this red color, 4. Then you do this tally marks, means 4 like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then green color, how many students here? 2. Green color, 2 students, means you do here 2. Tally mark. This yellow 7 means here this 7 lines. Then blue 10 means you give here 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this type of this tally marks. All of you understand? This tally marks, firstly you draw this table, then color of cloths, number of children, names of children, how many, here number of children 4, then you write here 4 lines, means it is called as the tally marks. Then again some examples given, and this remaining part tomorrow. Okay.